Welcome to Renovate. Today, we'll be examining the best MIG welders. The WELD-PAK 90i is a versatile, lightweight MIG and flux cord welder, ideal for home DIYers and light to medium projects. It runs on a standard 120-volt household outlet, making it very accessible. The welder supports both gas-shielded MIG welding and gasless flux core welding, giving users flexibility depending on the material. Its inverter technology improves efficiency and precision, while its simple control panel makes it easy to adjust wire speed and voltage. However, this device's output range might not be sufficient for thicker materials or heavy-duty tasks. The welder's duty cycle, 90A at 30%, is good for short welding bursts but could require downtime for cooling if you're working on larger projects. It also lacks advanced features found in higher-end welders, like a digital display. Overall, this model is a solid choice for hobbyists and DIY enthusiasts, thanks to its portability and ease of use. If you're tackling light welding jobs, this machine delivers good value. Check out the Amazon link below the video for pricing and availability. The PrimeWeld MIG180 is a versatile welder designed for both hobbyists and professionals. It supports three types of welding: gas-shielded MIG, flux core, and aluminium MIG, making it flexible for a variety of tasks. Its dual voltage capability allows it to operate on both 120-volt and 240-volt outlets, providing more convenience depending on the project. The included spool gun makes aluminium welding much smoother by preventing wire jams, a common issue with softer aluminium wire. While this device performs well across multiple tasks, its weight might be considered heavy for some users compared to more portable options. The duty cycle, 180A at 30%, is suitable for medium-level tasks but may require breaks during extended welding sessions. Additionally, it lacks advanced digital displays or fine-tuning features that could appeal to more experienced welders. In summary, this model offers excellent value with its versatility and aluminium welding capabilities. It's a great option for those looking for a reliable, multi-purpose welder. Be sure to check the Amazon link below the video for current pricing and details. The Hobart Handler 190 is a versatile MIG and flux cord welder designed for both light industrial use and serious DIY projects. It operates on 230-volt power and has a maximum output of 190 amps, making it capable of welding materials like mild steel, stainless steel, and aluminium. The unit comes ready for flux core welding, but can easily switch to MIG welding with the addition of shielding gas. It also has built-in circuitry for an optional spool gun, which simplifies aluminium welding by reducing wire feed issues. One potential downside is the 30% duty cycle at 130 amps, which may limit longer welding sessions without a cooldown period. At 68 pounds, it's also less portable compared to lighter models, which could be a consideration if you need a more mobile machine. Overall, this model is a solid, reliable welder for anyone needing a mix of power and precision. It's especially useful for projects involving thicker materials. Check the Amazon link in the description below the video for pricing and availability. The Lincoln MIG211i is a powerful and versatile welder designed for both professionals and serious hobbyists. It offers multi-process capabilities, allowing you to switch between MIG, flux cord, and stick welding. The dual voltage input, 120-volt or 230-volt, add flexibility, making it suitable for various work environments, from home garages to workshops. It also features digital controls, simplifying setup and adjustments for different tasks, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced welders. A drawback for some might be the 30% duty cycle at 175 amps, which can limit continuous high-power welding. However, with a 60% duty cycle at 95 amps, when using 120 volt, it performs efficiently for lighter projects. The welder's lightweight design at 41 pounds makes it portable, but it doesn't include a TIG welding option, which some users may need. Overall, this model is an excellent choice for light industrial maintenance and repair tasks. It's particularly attractive for those who need portability and multi-voltage capability. If you're interested, check the description below the video for an Amazon link to the product. The Hobart Handler 210 MVP is a versatile MIG and flux core welder designed to handle a wide range of materials, including mild steel, stainless steel, and aluminium. With its dual voltage capability, it can run on either 115 volt or 230 volt power, making it adaptable to different work environments. The machine features 7 output voltage settings for precise control when using 230 volt, and it can weld up to 3/8 of an inch thick steel, offering strong performance for both small and large projects. However, this device does have some drawbacks. At 79 pounds, it's relatively heavy, which can make transportation and mobility on job sites a bit challenging. Additionally, some users report the included cables, particularly the ground clamp, are somewhat stiff and short, which could limit your reach during certain projects. In conclusion, this model offers great power and flexibility for a wide range of welding tasks. Its ease of use and ability to switch between power sources make it a solid choice for most welding jobs. If you're interested, check the description below the video for an Amazon link to purchase this welder. The Millermatic 211 is a highly versatile MIG welder designed for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. It features the advanced auto set technology, which automatically adjusts the settings based on the material thickness and wire size, simplifying the setup process for various materials, including mild steel, stainless steel, and aluminium. This welder supports both 120 volt and 240 volt power, making it flexible for different work environments, and its lightweight, portable design adds convenience for users on the go. On the downside, this device's performance on 120 volt power is limited to lighter materials. Although it is extremely portable, some users might find the included accessories like the ground clamp to be somewhat short for larger projects. Overall, this model stands out for its portability, versatility, and advanced features, making it a great option for both professional and DIY welders. If you're interested, check the description below the video for an Amazon link to the product. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to keep up with future content. And feel free to leave your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, happy exploring.